to the Rossmönster vans, and today I want to show you around this new Transit 148 mid-roof that we just wrapped up. Usually in our mid-roof vans, you're a little bit limited on sleeping capacity, but this one is special in that we have the pop top up top, which I will show you once we get inside, but that's going to allow us to expand our sleeping footprint immensely. So some exterior features of this rig before we go inside. We have the Fiamma awning up top. We have Aluminess Nerf bars along the side sliding door here. We're going to have bug screens at this sliding door as well as at the rear door. And then we also have a wee boost up top to make sure that they have connectivity while they're out on the road. Let's step inside. I'll start out by pointing out some of the design features in this rig as well as the layout, and then we'll go into each of the specific components one by one. So as far as design features go, we have Duramax upholstered wall panels, we have Duramax upholstered dinette in the rear. All of our countertops are going to be birch butcher block. All of our cabinetry is going to be birch slab door, and then we have hickory flooring on the ground here. As far as layout goes, we have our shower and bathroom up front here on the driver's side. Moving back, we'll have our galley area. Behind me on the passenger side, we'll have more galley storage. And then we'll work all the way into the rear, which is where you'll find the dinette, some additional storage, our power systems, our water systems, and our sleeping area, in addition to the sleeping area that we have up top in the pop top. Starting in the shower area of this van, on the driver's side, we're going to have a 30 by 20 shower. This is going to have brushed aluminum walls and a dry flush toilet inside it. Additionally, we have that self-cleaning Nautilus sliding door to keep all of the water inside. Moving a little bit further back, we have our galley area. So here we have a 15 by 20 Ruvati workstation sink with the cutting board and colander inside as per usual. Moving a little bit further back, we have a single burner 2 induction cooktop, and then beneath that we have a 4.6 cubic foot isotherm door style fridge. And then under our sink here, you will see our 7-gallon removable gray water tank. We also just have a nice little shelf up here to store whatever kitchen gear you have, as well as under cab lighting on both sides of the vehicle. Moving over to the other side of the galley area, we have a really nice shelving unit here. And then we just have a very roomy drawer bank for utensils, pots and pans, all of that good stuff. As I mentioned earlier, we have butcher block countertops throughout. A nice feature that I always love in a van is this flip-up countertop, so that just extends the usable workspace in that galley area. Moving all the way back, we have our dinette slash bed. So this is a really roomy area, can sit at least 3 on each side, and this is also going to turn into one of our beds, so it helps us sleep more people in this vehicle. We have our birch tabletop here on a 360-degree Lagun mount, and we also have the controller for that Fiamma awning. Once we go around back, I'll show you what this looks like all the way laid out in bed form, and I'll also show you the power systems and water systems underneath it. But before we do that, we have another nice storage solution here in that the entire dinette is raised, so there's going to be a nice storage solution for their guitars while they're out on the road underneath this dinette area. Lastly, you'll notice we have 2 vents in this area. That is for our Rixen hydronic heat and hot water system. That's going to make sure that this vehicle is 4-season capable. Additionally, we'll have a very unique AC system in this van that is not currently installed, but it's going to go in the passenger side window. So it's kind of like a portable window unit that we're putting inside this rig. When it comes to power systems, again, as I mentioned, we have that Rixen hydronic heat and hot water system. We have our Bluetooth battery monitor for the Victron energy system. We have our under cab lights for both the passenger and driver side, water pump as per usual, and then we have a switch here which is for the pop top, which I'll show you now. So whenever you're ready to send the kids or whoever's sleeping up top to bed, you just press up and we will begin raising. So once you're ready, you're just going to lift that button and then you'll have the whole top extended. A really nice feature of this pop top is that you can actually attach this whole bed portion to the ceiling, which is going to allow you to have a ton of headspace and make this mid-roof van feel like an even higher version of a high roof van. All right, so as I go ahead and turn this into bed mode, I'll show you some of the systems and storage solutions that we have in this dinette as I go. So on the driver's side here, we have our Rixen hydronic heat and hot water system. Behind that, we have our 20-gallon freshwater tank. And then we have just some panels that can be pulled over to conceal that for more storage if you need it. And then obviously you can remove those to check on your water levels at any point. Moving over to the passenger side of the vehicle, we have, again, more storage here, but then you can take these panels off to check out our power cabinet. So in here we have 600 amp hours of lithium battery bank, we have a 200-watt solar array, and a 3,000-watt inverter. So now I will go ahead and make the bed. And there you have the full bed made. These clients are going to sleep widthwise in the vehicle and then lengthwise in the pop top bed. Lastly, in the rear here, we have another access point to that under dinette storage area, again, where they plan to keep their guitars, but just an all-around good storage solution. We already talked about the AC unit and the Rixen hydronic heat and hot water system, but also in terms of ventilation in this vehicle, we have our half slides on both sides of this dinette and bed area. We have a ton of windows up top in that pop top tent, and then we have a T-vent C.R. Lawrence window up front in the sliding door. That wraps up this van tour. Again, I'm Lucy with Rossmönster Vans. Be sure to follow us on Instagram, subscribe to our YouTube channel so you never miss a van tour. Hope you have a great rest of your day.